Hey everybody, what's going on? Hope you guys are doing good. I am doing just great. So here I have my version of the Mick Mars Star Guitar. Wait a minute here. Hey, you, pay attention. Yeah, you. Alright, as I was saying, this is my version of the Mick Mars Star Guitar. Now, the original guitar was done in black and red, black background, red webbing, red lettering on the headstock. Since this is for somebody that I know, he likes the color green, so I did everything in green. The original guitar is made by Charvel. Now, I'm not too sure of the year of it. Could be 1980, could be 1981, but the first sighting of this guitar was on the album by Motley Crue, Too Fast for Love. It's on the back cover in a photo with Mick Mars holding the guitar like a baseball bat. Other than that, there's really no information about it. So I basically built this body blindfolded, and as you've seen from the beginning of the video, you match the two up on top of each other and they match pretty much perfectly as far as body shape goes and headstock. So right now I'm going to do a little bit of sound samples. First thing I'm going to do is some clean sound samples with this. Now the original, I doubt that it had a coil splitting on it. This one here, single humbuckers on the original, single humbuckers on this one, but I ended up doing some coil splitting on there as well. So it's got the best of both worlds, so to say. It's a very hot pickup. It is a Dragonfire pickup, and pretty much I got everything pretty much to match up with the original in the crappy photos that were found online, which basically there's no other information or anything about this guitar. So let's get into the sound samples of this, and like I said, it's going to start off with clean tones.